We will be installing this nice chrome and black vent filter and then this air filter onto our Rochester carb. Let's get into this video and show you guys how we did it. Today, our project, we're going to take this old air cleaner off and I'm going to try to put this one on to clean up the engine a little bit. Let's see how this goes. Let's get into this. Alright, I need to remove this, and then I have to go find a small breather filter for the valve cover. So I'm going to look that up on Amazon right now before I get into it. I found this one, found some other ones that I think I'll get. I'll link all the information below on what I end up ordering. Let's get to ordering or see if I can find one local. I just ordered some parts on Amazon, so while I do that, I'm going to start unscrewing this. As you can see, I've had it off. I've changed it to an aftermarket filter or a replacement filter from Fram. I put inside here, so you will see that the filter is clean and brand new. All I gotta do is unscrew both sides, take up all the washers, lift that off, and lift this off. It's that easy. I will keep this bracket over here on just in case what I do over here doesn't work, so I can put the old one off, take it off, and then if it does end up working, I will probably just unbolt this and clean it up. I got a push-in air filter for the valve cover, so I'm pulling this off, taking this whole assembly off. Right there, you can see that, and then the push-in will be about that size. I picked up this Mr. Gasket set, part number 6411G, and it comes with adapters from the 2 5/8 to I believe 5 1/4. It comes with spacers and then 2 sets of adapters. This is what I'm going to use. To space it out, you need to get above the linkage here. I go just like that. That will fit perfect. Now is the moment of truth. I'll take the top off. Let me get into this and screw it on, and I will come back and show you guys how it looks. I use both spacers on the Mr. Gasket. Put this on here like that, and then put, let's see if a screw hole will fit. Okay, the screw is, it might be long enough. Don't know. Nope, it's not long enough. So I'm going to take off one of the spacers. It's a shorter spacer here. We'll try this again. Perfect. I'm going to put 2 washers on here, just in case. Now I'm going to wonder if it will clear. It should clear because I don't think it sits up any higher than the original, but that looks quite nice. Just some minor stuff I'm doing to clean up the engine until I decide the route I want to do. I'm gonna try to shut the hood and see with the clearance. I kind of want to set you guys right in the hood. All right, I think it will clear, as you just saw. And you guys were in the hood also, in the engine bay. Before we get into the finishing touch, putting the breather on there, we gotta wait for Amazon, but I want to show you guys what I've done to the truck so far. I've done headlights, I've done a wireless controller right there. We've done drop wheels and tires, a mirror. We chrome deleted everything. So we did the wipers, the handles, the gas cap. We put a box on. I put a bike mount there for car shows. Sorry, they're dirty, but these are the Boz wheels. They're amazing. We're going to do tailpipe, exhaust. We're gonna have a side exit right here that's to come. And then we just got finished with the roll pan. Blacked out tail lamps. Also did CarPlay and some other electronics inside. So this is the build series. Hope you enjoy it. We're doing a lot to this truck and we're taking you guys with us. So please subscribe, turn the bell notification on. Let's wait for Amazon to get here and finish this project up. Okay, the package is here. We got a couple filter options and we also got plugs. I just ordered a bunch of stuff because it's at Amazon same day. Had to get it above 25 bucks. We got this blacked out one. And then we also got a filter looking one, black with chrome. And we're gonna see which one we're gonna use. I'm gonna try this one first. Let's get back under the hood. Okay, I removed the plastic piece. That was a little bit of a pain. As you can see, it's right there in pieces. Just be careful nothing gets inside that valve cover. Now let's see what filter is going to work for this. Well, this one pushed right in, stayed there. It's out of the way of everything. Doesn't look like any air gaps in it. That'll be the final one because it's stuck there. Looks pretty good. That cleaned that up so much. Let's get to the first start and see how it sounds. I'm going to go into the car, the truck, and we're going to start it up. Sounds mean. That's it for another part of the build series. The intake was a success, seemed to work. Gave it a little bit more response power. Clean it up a little bit, so I'm very happy with this mod. If you like this type of stuff, please consider subscribing. We go to car shows every week, bringing you car show content. Hope you're enjoying the build series. Please check out another video on the left and the right. Keep riding. We'll see you guys next time.